Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on Bihar history. We will discuss ancient time of Bihar, medieval time of Bihar history and modern Bihar history. So we will know the various dynasties and various kings and their inscriptions and monuments and the like. So this will help you for preparing BPSC or any competitive examination of Bihar. And in other states or is central exam also will be covered by these GKs. Ancient Bihar. First of all, we will discuss ancient Bihar questions. Question number 1. Which Neolithic site in Bihar has yielded evidence of rice cultivation dating back to around 2500 BCE? A. Chirand, B. Sonpur, C. Taradi, D. Maner. Answer is A. Chirand. Chirand is known for some of the earliest evidence of rice cultivation, marking a significant step in agricultural revolution in Bihar. Archaeologists found rice grains during excavations in Chirand. Second, Janaka was a king of which one of the following? A. Vaishali, B. Mithila, C. Magad, D. Patliputra. Answer is B. Mithila. King Janaka ruled Mithila and is prominent figure in ancient Indian epics. In Ramayana, Sita is described as the daughter of Janaka of Mithila. Question number 3. The Lichvi Republic mentioned in early Buddhist text was located in present-day A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Punjab. Answer is A. Bihar. The Lichvi Republic was well known for its democratic governance in ancient Bihar. Buddhist texts record Lichvi as a significant Mahajanapada in Bihar. Now questions from medieval Bihar. Question number 4. Bihar was formed as a province of Mughal Empire in which year? A. 1504 AD, B. 1540 AD, C. 1580 AD, D. 1600 AD. Answer is C. 1580 AD. During Akbar's reign, Bihar was officially recognized as a province. Mughal records from Akbar's time include Bihar among imperial provinces. Question number 5. The ruins of famous Buddhist monastery at Vikramshila are located in A. Nalanda district, B. Gaya district, C. Bhagalpur district, and D. Patna district. Answer is C. Bhagalpur district. Vikramshila was a major center of Buddhist learning built by the Pala dynasty, now in Bhagalpur. Remains of Vikramshila monastery attract researchers to Bhagalpur. Now questions from modern Bihar. When was the demand for the formation of Bihar as a separate province started or presented? A. 1896 AD, B. 1906 AD, C. 1911 AD, D. 1936 AD. Answer is B. 1906 AD. The demand was put forward in early 20th century as nationalist movement gained ground. Documents from Congress session in 1906 discuss Bihar's autonomy. Question number 7. In which year the famous Bihar movement was started? A. 1972, B. 1973, C. 1974, D. 1975. Answer is C. 1974. The Bihar movement led by Jayaprakash Narayan sought social and political reforms. Students and citizens participated in mass protest in 1974. Now questions from culture and society of Bihar. Question number 8. What does word Bihar basically mean? A. Buddhist monastery, B. Land of angels, C. Region of greenery, D. Arya Pradesh. Answer is A, Buddhist monastery. The term Bihar is derived from Vihara, referring to Buddhist monasteries. Many ancient sites in Bihar were called Viharas due to monastic presence. Question number 9. Amrapali, the famous courtesan, was associated with which kingdom? A. Magad, B. Vaishali, C. Mithila, D. Anga. Answer is B. Vaishali. Amrapali features in Buddhist literature as a renowned courtesan of Vaishali. Legends speak of Amrapali hosting Buddha in Vaishali. Now, political developments questions. Question number 10. Who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? A. Anugrah Narayan Singh, B. Dr. Sri Krishna Singh, C. Jayaprakash Narayan, D. Nitish Kumar. Answer is B. Dr. Sri Krishna Singh. Dr. Sri Krishna Singh became Bihar's inaugural Chief Minister after independence. Statues and institutions in Bihar commemorate Sri Krishna Singh's legacy. Question number 11. How many members are there in Bihar Legislative Assembly at present? A. 240, B. 243, C. 245, D. 46. Answer is B. 243. Bihar's assembly currently consists of 243 elected members. Election results in Bihar discuss all 243 constituencies. Important monuments. The Nalanda Mahavihara ruins are located in which district of Bihar? A. Patna, B. Gaya, C. Rajgir, D. Nalanda. Answer is D. Nalanda. Nalanda was an ancient center for learning situated in namesake district. Example, UNESCO recognizes Nalanda ruins. Question number 13. Ancient site of Kumrar in Patna was a royal palace complex of Patliputra. B. Buddhist monastery. C. Jain temple complex. D. Hindu temple complex. Answer is royal palace complex of Patliputra. Excavations reveal Kumrar as the seat of Mauryan administration. Mauryan pillared hall at Kumrar shows grandeur of ancient Patliputra. Now, miscellaneous questions. Which river is considered the lifeline of Bihar? A. Yamuna, B. Son, C. Gandak, D. Ganga. Answer is D. Ganga. The Ganga flows across Bihar, supporting agriculture, culture, trade. Festivals and rituals along Ganga are central in Bihar. Question number 15. The primary raw material used for most Mauryan pillars was A. Sandstone, B. Limestone, C. Marble, D. Granite. Answer is A. Sandstone. Mauryan pillars like those of Ashoka are made of finely carved sandstone. Sarnath pillars lion capital is carved out of sandstone. So these are all for today. If you like, please subscribe and share.